I have a huge box behind me here. This is an RC garage from RCGarages.com. Shout out to them for making some really super scale, really cool garages. We're gonna get this thing out of the box, see what it's like to assemble it, what it looks like, and if there's any changes or modifications we need to do to it. It's seriously big. All right, check it out. I don't even know what I'm getting myself into. And maybe that's not how you're supposed to open it. Okay, so there we go. That's the magic we're looking for. This is a lot bigger than I thought it might be. All right, so I have a floor panel, it looks like. Another floor panel. We have what looks like a side wall or back wall. Another wall, I think it's upside down, and then the back right there. Oh, this is awesome. Tip number one, if you're going to be assembling these, is you need to have some space. I am surprised. This is the 36-inch double bay garage, and I'm really surprised by how big it is. I thought it would like easily fit on the workbench, and I know my workbench is cluttered, don't get me wrong, I get it, but like, it's really full. I think I'm going to start by assembling the floor. It looks like the floor is 2 pieces. So I'm just going to flip it over, tape it together on the back side. I think that's all I have to do. You can see what this is made out of. If you're ever familiar with like yard signs, it's just that like plasticky, kind of wants to be a cardboard, but it's plastic kind of stuff. And it appears that the images have been just printed on there. So very lightweight, very simple. But it's not like it's a snap together thing or anything along those lines. It's literally just these, and I'm guessing that I'm just going to be taping them together. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to assume that just like any other house, your foundation determines the strength of everything else. So we're going to put this together. We're going to make sure everything lines up just right. There we go. One really, really big floor panel. And then we have this back door. So this is clearly the back garage door up. RC Garage. Shout out to Kinetic Crawlers. Someone's already been putting stickers on my thing. So this is what we have here. I kind of feel like this needs a roadside RC across it or something, doesn't it? Ha! And there we go. Roadside RC right on the door. Does that look scale? I don't know if it does or not. I don't know if it really looks like it. Probably needs to be like the lines need to go across it or something to make it look real. But hey, whatever. I already stuck it on there. So now I got to figure out how to attach this on there. Probably what I need to do is put some tape on the bottom and then I can roll it around the edge maybe. Without knowing any better, what I'm doing is just sticking tape in underneath the bottom here. Obviously tacky side up. And then I'm going to take this, and I'm assuming, based on the like gray down here at the bottom, I'm assuming that this is going to sit all the way down. Oh, it won't even fit in under. This thing really is massive. Alright, so I'm going to try to line it up very carefully and set it down. And we're going to fold this tape up tightly. Very tightly, very tightly. Okay, now I have a super wobbly back. So then we're going to do the same thing. Now, which wall should go on this side? You can see there's like a 3D effect going on here with it this way. Should that be towards me? Does that look right? Or should that be away from me? Should that be over here? I think maybe that's supposed to be over there. That kind of feels right. So we're going to leave that one off. We're going to grab this one, because obviously it's the other side. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to Aha! We're starting to get somewhere now. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks so really good on camera. Wow. It's amazing how much better and realistic that looks in camera than in person. Huh. Pictures are awesome. All right, so I still need to get this wall up, and then we will have everything that comes from the kit. Oh, look at that. Both walls up. Looking awesome. Now look, it's kind of funny though. You're in here, super scale garage. Out here, white box. In here, super scale garage. Out here, white box. It is interesting when you step back here. It's funny. It's like you're outside peering into a new world. But look at that. Look, it looks so good. Got the roadside RC. Look, somebody left a little sticker here too. Funny how that works out. So I'm really interested in this because thinking what I'm going to do is take this to my local drift track and donate it there. So the folks that come through the drift track have the ability to park and have like some cool scale photos taken. But I think if that's the case, I'm going to need to add some scale accessories to this. So what I want to know is your comments. Please leave them down in the video description. What kind of scale accessories should I be putting in here? I'm kind of thinking also if it's going to be at a drift track, maybe it needs some like walls. Maybe it needs some like facade out here. Does it need a roof? Do I need to like work to complete this a little bit more? That could be a fun little challenge right there. So please let me know what you think. Give it to me down in the video comments. Let me know what kind of scale accessories you'd like to see in here. What else you'd like to see me do to it. Maybe I can make some of this happen over the next couple months before I give this to my drift track. But right now, I need to get some cars in there and let's get some cool scale shots. Oh, that's what we're talking about. Look at how cool that looks. Oh man. Never realized I needed this. Oh, maybe I really do need one of these full-time in the roadside RC garage to get my scale shots. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's pretty awesome. Oh, that looks really cool. So I'm going to get some pencil and paper and start thinking about what I may want to do to this to kind of complete the total look. If you are interested in these, I'm going to leave a link down, RCGarages.com. I'll leave a link down to their website in the video description below. And so you can go check that out there and see which one you think you might want. As always, folks, thank you for the support, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.